Hello friends, welcome once again to the world of MST Blockchain. In this tutorial, we'll learn the process of buying MST Fraction. So let's get started. Now go to your registered email ID. You should have received a welcome email from MST, where you will find your login credentials and the link to access your MST account. Click on the link and you will be redirected to the MST dashboard. Once you arrive here, select the option Click here to log in. Here, enter the same mobile number and password that you used during the MST registration and KYC process. Now carefully enter the CAPTCHA shown below. And click on Login option. Awesome! Here you will see a message confirming that you have completed your KYC process earlier. A thank you pop-up message will appear. Click on Save, and then to proceed select the option indicating that your KYC verification is complete. What you see now is the complete MST dashboard. If you look at the fraction-owned section under the report, you will see that it currently shows 0. Let's look at the actual process of buying MST Fraction. Click on the Purchase option. Here you will see the current node price, which will change periodically. For now, let's buy 2 fractions. You will notice that as soon as I enter the value 2, the total amount, including GST, is automatically updated, and the amount you need to pay is automatically calculated. Click on the Pay Now option, and you will be redirected to the payment gateway. Here you will find various payment options. For now, let's choose the UPI option. Once you enter your UPI details, click on the Verify and Pay option. Congratulations! Your first payment for purchasing 2 fractions has been completed successfully. Once done, you will be redirected to your MST dashboard, where you will see a Payment Verified Successfully message in the top right corner. Additionally, the fraction-owned section under the report will be updated with your purchased fractions. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.